Welcome to Cryptography and the Public Key Infrastructure course. Whether you are new to cybersecurity, an IT professional, or preparing for certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or CISSP, this course will help you understand the fundamentals of encryption and secure communication. Cryptography is essential for protecting information in today's digital world. In this course, you will learn what cryptography is and why it matters, key encryption algorithms, symmetric versus asymmetric cryptography, message authentication methods, and cryptographic attacks and emerging threats. This knowledge is also valuable for Security Plus and CISSP exams, covering important topics in encryption, authentication, and risk management. To get the best learning experience, watch the videos in order. Introduction to Cryptography, where you learn the basics, then Cryptography Algorithms, understanding the key encryption methods, and then Symmetric Cryptography, where you explore how shared key encryption works, followed by Asymmetric Cryptography, where you learn about public key cryptography. Then we have Message Authentication, where you learn secure data integrity and authenticity. And last, we have Cryptographic attacks and emerging issues, where you stay ahead of threats. If you are preparing for Security Plus or CISSP, these topics will help you in your studies. Watch the videos in order, take notes, and apply what you learn. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. There is a lot more to come, including new courses and videos on cybersecurity. Give this video a like and share it with others. Now, let's dive into cryptography.